And special thanks to our friends at Syncwire, who were nice enough to send us their car wireless FM transmitter. This is the front of the box and a little bit of the specs here on the back, so you can see the USB-A output and the USB-C output. It does have a 54 watt max, which is pretty nice. 36 watts for the Type-C and 18 watts for the USB-A. And so essentially, let's open this up. How this would work is here, nothing else in the box besides a manual, nothing else in there now. But how this would work, read operation guide carefully before using. So that's a good idea. As you can see though, you have the USB-C port, you have your USB-A port, you have a channel button, you have like a hang up button, and then the call button and adjusting your volume and stuff. Now, what this would do is you would put this in your car. Would be best for an older car. And so essentially you put this into your cigarette lighter. With this into your cigarette lighter, you're then able to connect this device to the FM radio in your car. And when you do that, then your phone can basically play through this device to your FM radio in your car. So you'd be able to play your music, you'd be able to take and answer your phone calls with these buttons and everything all through your car if you have an older car that doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity and stuff like that. And as an added bonus, you can fast charge your devices with either the USB-A port or the USB-C. So that's essentially what this little device would do. And all you get is this. You just plug it into your cigarette lighter, follow your instructions on how to get it connected to your FM radio, and then you should be playing your audio from your phone through this device into your old car speakers. Thanks again to Syncwire, who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.